As was mentioned, my name is Mukui Mbindyo, and I'm the head of partnerships at ADMI. And it's a real pleasure to be here today. Thank you so much for joining us, and thank you so much to our esteemed partners at FKE and Nexford University. It's been a real pleasure to work with partners who are equally as committed to data-driven decision-making and bridging the skills gaps that exist in our market. So thank you very much. And I also want to take a moment to acknowledge the employers who participated in our survey. Your insights have been invaluable in shaping this report, and your commitment to understanding and addressing the challenges of the evolving workforce is commendable. This report that we're going to share today goes beyond mere data and statistics. It is a strategic guide, a roadmap, and a visionary document that delves into the critical intersection of education and industry needs. The importance of this survey cannot be overstated. It serves as a compass for employers, shedding light on the skills gaps that exist, and more importantly, offering tangible solutions to bridge these gaps. We understand the challenges faced by enterprises today, from the demand for specific technical skills to the essential need for digital mindset in the workplace. And this report highlights that the future of work is not merely a concept. It is a reality that we must prepare for now. The skills demanded by enterprises are evolving, and employers need more than just insights. They need actionable strategies. As we transition into a digital-first era, the skills required are not solely technical. Soft skills, adaptability, resilience, and a growth mindset have become the linchpin of success. Enterprises must not only identify these needs, but also implement tailored solutions to ensure their teams are well equipped for the challenges ahead. At ADMI, we play a vital role in this paradigm shift. After more than a decade in the digital skilling space, we stand not just as educators, but as strategic partners in your journey. We acknowledge that enterprises and employers need more than insights. They need practical solutions. As an educator, we can help you identify and bridge the skills gaps in your teams with workshops, digital DNA assessments, and tailored team coaching. Our workshops are transformative experiences that focus on inculcating a growth mindset, fostering adaptability, and enhancing resilience, key attributes for thriving in the dynamic world of work. Our digital DNA assessment is more than an evaluation tool. It is your compass in navigating the digital landscape. It provides a snapshot of your team's digital readiness, guiding you closely as you develop a plan for targeted change management as you skill, upskill, and reskill your team to weather internal and external changes. Our intensive digital transformation curriculum, on the other hand, is our commitment to your success. Blending interactive studio sessions with practical team assignments over an 18-month period, we go beyond traditional education, ensuring that knowledge is not just acquired, but applied effectively in real-world scenarios. As we navigate the future of work together, let us embrace this report as more than just a collection of insights. Let it be a catalyst for change, a guide to strategic decision-making, and a testament to the collaboration between education and industry. Thank you so much for being here.